Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Konkani. Today we are going to learn some more words and sentences. So before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet and keep following my channel to learn Konkani very fast and very easily. So let's begin with today's video. The first word is slap. In Konkani we say thapat. Thapat. I will slap you. In Konkani we say हांव तुका थापट मारतलो. हांव तुका थापट मारतलो. The next word is smile. In Konkani we say हास. हास or laugh. For smile and for laugh in Konkani we say हास. Please smile. In Konkani we say मात्सो हास. मात्सो हास. Sneeze. In Konkani we say शीक. शीक. He is sneezing. In Konkani we say तो शिकता. तो शिकता. She is sneezing. In Konkani we say तें शिकता. If a lady is sneezing, we say ती शिकता. The next word, road. In Konkani we say रस्तो or मार्ग. रस्तो वा मार्ग. Which road is this? In Konkani we ask हो रस्तो खंयचो? हो रस्तो खंयचो? The next word is use. In Konkani we say उपेग वा वापर. उपेग वा वापर. Make use of it. In Konkani we say ताचो वापर कर वा ताचो उपेग कर. ताचो उपेग कर. Value. In Konkani we say mall. Mall. Still you don't know the value of it. In Konkani we say अजून तुका ताचो मोल कळूंक ना. अजून तुका ताचो मोल कळूंक ना. Soap. In Konkani we say शाबू वा साबांव. शाबू वा साबांव. Give me soap. In Konkani we say म्हाका शाबू दी. म्हाका शाबू दी. Same. In Konkani we say तेंच. Same it is. In Konkani we are going to say तेंच तें. तेंच तें. Salt. In Konkani we say meat. Meat. Put little more salt in this. In Konkani we say हातूंत आनी इल्लें मीठ घाल. हातूंत आनी इल्लें मीठ घाल. The next word nothing. In Konkani we say कांय ना. कांय ना. Warm or hot. In Konkani we say हून. हून. It is hot. In Konkani we say तें हून आसा. तें हून आसा. Remind. In Konkani we say याद कर. Remind. In Konkani we say याद कर. Remind me later. In Konkani we say म्हाका मागीर याद कर. म्हाका मागीर याद कर. Forest. In Konkani we say run. He went through the forest. He went through the forest. In Konkani we say to रानांतल्यान गेलो. तो रानांतल्यान गेलो. गेलो means went. Dumb. In Konkani we say mone. Mone. She is dumb. In Konkani we say te mone asa. Te mone asa. Deaf. In Konkani we say bheddo. For a boy we say bheddo, and for a girl we say bhedde. He is deaf. In Konkani we say to bheddo asa. To bheddo asa. Pocket. In Konkani we say balls. Balls. Put this in your pocket. Put this in your pocket. In Konkani we say है तुझा बोलसांत घाल. है तुझा बोलसांत घाल. Seed. In Konkani we say bee. Bee. Remove the seed and eat. In Konkani we say bee काढ आणि खा. Bee काढ आणि खा. The next word wipe. In Konkani we say puss. Puss. Wipe the table. In Konkani we say मेज puss. मेज puss. मेज means table. Star. In Konkani we say nakhetra. Nakhetra. Look at the star. In Konkani we say nakhetra polai. Look, if the sentence is look at the stars, then nakhetra polai. Nakhetra polai. Fresh. In Konkani we say taje. Taje. I'll buy some fresh vegetables. In Konkani we say हांव इल्ली ताजी भाजी घेता. हांव इल्ली ताजी भाजी घेता. Illi means little. Taje or taji means fresh. Rice. In Konkani we say tandoor. Tandoor. Get 5 kg rice while coming. In Konkani we'll say येता असताना 5 किलो तांदूळ हाड. येता असताना 5 किलो तांदूळ हाड. येता असताना means while coming. Eggs. In Konkani we say tatiya. In Konkani we say tatiya. I want to eat an egg. I want to eat an egg. Maka tati खावपाक जाय. Maka tati खावपाक जाय. For a single egg we say tati, and for more eggs we say tatiya. Tatiya. Egg means tati. Eggs means tatiya. Cell. Cell means week. In Konkani we say week. She went to sell flowers. She went to sell flowers. In Konkani we say te fula vikunk gela. Te fula vikunk gela. Fula means flower. Vikunk means to sell. Gela means went. Beat. Beat means mar. Mar. She bit me on my head. In Konkani we say ताणे म्हज्या तकलेर मारलें. ताणें म्हज्या तकलेर मारलें. Beach. In Konkani we say वेळ. वेळ. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. In Konkani we say चल वेळेर या. चल वेळेर या. Newspaper. Newspaper. In Konkani we say खबरापत्र. खबरापत्र. He is reading a newspaper. In Konkani we say तो खबरापत्र वाचता. तो खबरापत्र वाचता. She is reading a newspaper. In Konkani we say तें खबरापत्र वाचता. Stay means राव. Stay at my place today. In Konkani we say आयज आमगेर राव. आयज आमगेर राव. So the words that we learned today are slap means maar, smile or laugh means हास, sneeze means शींक, road means रस्तो or मार्ग, use means उपेग व वापर, value means मोल. Value means मोल. Soap means shabu or sabaun. Save means thanks. Salt means meat. Nothing means kaina. Warm or hot means hoon. Forest means ran. Dumb mone. Stay means raw. Deaf means beddo. Dumb means mone. Pocket means balls. Seed means bee. White means puss. Star means nakhetra. Fresh means taje. Rice means tandul. Eggs means tatiya. Egg means tati. Cell means weak. Beat maar. Beach वेळ. Newspaper means khabrapatra. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and keep following my channel Konkani Ulay. Thank you.